Hello crypto smart investors. In this video we'll be learning how to download MetaMask wallet to our iPhone to our Android phone. Alright, so MetaMask is a multi-chain wallet. MetaMask is a secure wallet and gateway to blockchain sites. If you don't already have it downloaded, go ahead to download it to your mobile phone immediately. So once downloaded, so follow me to the next screen. So just one thing before we continue. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to hit the subscribe button now because we always drop content, especially for crypto enthusiasts like you. If you want to learn the basics of crypto, make sure you hit the notification icon now so that you always get notification whenever we drop a video. Go ahead to like our videos. You can also go ahead to share our videos. This will encourage us to create more content like this. If you have any question at the end of this video, drop it in the comment section below and I will respond to it accordingly. Now this is your MetaMask wallet. So one other wallet that people use most often is the Trust wallet. It's very popular among the crypto users, especially for those that use PancakeSwap and Uniswap. We actually created lots of video already on how to use Trust wallet with PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Go ahead to click the link up there and you can see some of the videos already on PancakeSwap. So you have MetaMask, manage your digital assets, store, spend and send digital assets like tokens, Ethereum, unique collectibles. So welcome to MetaMask. I just hit on what gets started. So in getting started, you have to set up your wallet. You can import an existing wallet. You can sync MetaMask extension. You can create a new wallet. Syncing MetaMask extension means you already have MetaMask on your Chrome because the Chrome has a plugin. So they kind of will bring up a QR code for you to scan and you are good to go. It's very easy breezy. So you can create a new wallet. So for the sake of this video, we'll be creating a new wallet. A video has already been made on how you can import your wallet using your secret recovery phrase. The link to the video is up there. You can quickly watch it immediately. The same way you do with Trust wallet is also the same way you can also with MetaMask. So we are going to, for the sake of this video, we are going to create a new wallet. So I hit on create and this prompt comes up. Help us to improve blah blah blah. So you either accept or you decline. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just what? Accept. So once you have accepted, at this point you have to create a password for your MetaMask. Please make sure you take the security of all your wallets seriously because you are the sole custodian of your wallet. Remember, Trust Wallet and MetaMask actually allow you to interact with decentralized exchanges. So you are the full custodian of your own security. You are responsible for your own security. Unlike centralized exchanges where your seed phrase is stored by your exchange. But in this case, you are fully responsible for your security, your privacy and everything. We actually already made a video difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. You can also click the link up there now to watch the video now. So in creating our password, you choose a password. So by now you should know how to use very strong password for stuff like this. So I'm going to quickly create a password. So I input my password, sign in with biometrics. So I enable that and I hit I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So that is a strong warning. You understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password. So they don't store your password. You are fully responsible. So you click on create and it goes creating your wallet. This shouldn't take long. I hope it doesn't. So after creating your password, the next step is to secure your wallet. In securing your wallet, you protect your wallet by saving your secret recovery phrase in a place you trust. It is the only way to recover your wallet if you get locked out or the app or get a new device. So at this instance, the essence of securing your wallet is if you change a new device or if you get locked out eventually, because sometimes after some app updates you'll be asked to re-log in. So you actually use your key phrase or your secret recovery phrase to get access back into your wallet. So you hit on what? Start. I hope the screen is capturing this now. So write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Security level very strong. Risks are you can lose it, you forget where you put it. So please authenticate in order to use MetaMask. So remember before now, it actually enabled authentication. So biometric authentication. So write down your secret phrase. So at this point, once I click view, it should actually reveal my secret phrase. So I hit on view I guess by now it should have blocked it out. So I'm just going to copy it as it is. I can't even screenshot. It's very, very powerful. It doesn't want you to do shit. So make sure you write it down in a secure place and you hit continue. So I know that the screen is still blacked out, so I'm going to enter the recovery phrase just as it's shown. Remember, it's a 12-word phrase, so you enter it accordingly. So what they do is to bring back empty boxes, 12 empty boxes, and they scramble the words, and you have to actually click on each of the words as it appears before now. So once you finish, it should show success. Then you hit on complete backup. Probably when you'll be watching this video, you'll notice that the interface will have changed because of the continuous updates of MetaMask. Congratulations, you have successfully protected your wallet. So this is your brand new MetaMask wallet. So for those of us using PC, I've actually made a video which I'll upload anytime soon on how you can get the Chrome plugin for MetaMask and how you can connect it accordingly. So just like the Trust Wallet interface, remember, if you have not watched the video on how to set up your Trust Wallet, you can click the link up here now to do so. In the next video, we're actually going to walking ourselves through the MetaMask interface. Hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to share our video. Don't forget to like our video. If you have any question at all, whatever question, do you need mentorship, drop it in the comment section below. Remember to treat responsibly. Peace out.